and we have been working on that. I've done a little bit of work off stream. So this is the current Next.js. So there's some things on here where you can, for example, sign into a dashboard, and it will onboard you with teams. We only have one team for now. We also have updated this to include the clients list, the articles, and approval dashboard and analytics, so you can like add clients. You can also add clients from the CSV as well, and you can see there's a bad row. So there you go. And then you can also add in articles. You can see this is like how you add article, and if you like want to like create a new client, then you can have that, and then you can also add that one on there. And you can see if we go back here, then you've got this new client. Each client also has their own feedback link that currently looks like this. And so you can see here, this is what they see. Now I'm just wondering, when I go here, status all, status draft, so let's get rid of the status all on that, because that is a bug. We want to change that to status draft. And now if we go there, now we get the draft articles, and then inside each article you can then basically write the article, and then you can approve that item, and then you can see here now we've got all the items complete. And as well as that, you know, the agency can also approve them, so I can approve these or revert these. If we go back in here, you will now see that these are changed for the client side, so the client can now appropriately go back. And also, by the way, when you send this link to a client, they won't be logged in, so this is all they'll see. They won't see the back to articles as well. So, and we've got the ability to navigate between articles, which is quite nice. So you can see here, you can approve, and then it's all done, right? So pretty nice, pretty slick. So we've got all the primitives in place, and then the only thing that we're currently having to, and let me just see, so that's fine. And then the only, I've also built like a small analytics dashboard where you can see the number of completed articles, and for example I can revert these, and we've also got comments that work as well. Now I'm going to change this, so this is status draft, that's fine, status all, put this to draft, cool. Now I'm just going to change the music so that we avoid copyright infringement. Cool. Alright, so next thing I want to do is set up Stripe, now that I've shown you that. And I'm going to use all the content on this page to populate the ship fast boilerplate in the config file. To update the ship fast boilerplate. Right, okay, so let's build the home page now. I'm going to put a note on in the backlog, add on the production Stripe API keys to config.ts. Alright, let's go. So next thing we want to do is we want to sign out of here, and we want to create the home page experience for this. So that's what we're going to work on. So I'm going to just save my current version. So currently looking pretty good. Updated the config. Okay, next thing we need to do is we need to build out the home page. So what I need to do for that is I'm going to do a new single composer. We're going to actually give it the components, the shipfast components, and say, I need you to build a really good home page using all of the shitpost components. Here are some of the information on the business, and we'll give it the /team ID. Yeah, we'll give it the README, which is one layer up, so I'm just going to go grab that. Alright, welcome everyone, hope you're doing all well. We're just currently building this application. So I'm going to go in here, and then what I need to do is get this information from the README. We've changed this slightly, so I'm not going to use the README information. And then I'm going to cancel this and say, here is some information in the application. Think about using the best mixture of components. And we'll just go, I'm just going to log in quickly. Fast. Let's have a look. Alright, let's get cooking, guys. Let's get cooking. I find it really funny that it's hallucinating an enterprise plan. problem component. What are they doing here? So they've got right, we're just updating the homepage, guys. For the features, can you use images instead? I want you to use images instead. Let's also add article generation to the hero plus problem plus features. We want to add article generation plus regeneration from client feedback. Yeah. Hero. Haha, I love Cursor, it's so good, man. Look at this. Manual content creation, endless email threads, delayed publications. We are rocking it, guys. I love the stuff that comes back from Claude. It's so well written. It's great. Okay, cool. So we've got the problem in. We'll get the features. And I told I want to use features like this. I guess it's this one here, is it? That is the features accordion, yeah. We need titles for these. What were they before? So they were title, description, and type. Title, description, type. Title, description, type, and path. We need the features to be like this. Title. Description. Type. Path. Yeah, come on, come on. That's it. I don't want videos. I guess I will. Go on then. I just need these ones here. I want to add an SVG. Add SVGs to each of these to make them look dope. Wow, there you go, look at that. Let's do the... Right, now that we've got that done, let's do... What was it, the next one? Features accordion, pricing, what? Okay, the pricing component, and also the FAQ section. Right, come on guys. Come on, Mr. Cursor. Or maybe Miss Cursor, depends on what you're saying really, doesn't it? Right. Yeah, choose your plan for your content needs is fine. I like that. All you need, what about this? Oh, redo the FAQ. Also, what about this line further up? We are shipping, guys. We are shipping. Right, FAQ list. Let's get those ones in there. FAQ. Bum, 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 bum. Look. We don't offer API access. That's very funny. I wish we did, but we don't offer API access, so forget that. What kind of analytics? We don't offer content performance, we get rid of that. Streamline your content workflow and boost efficiency. All you need to ship your site, all you need. And then this plan here, what plans have we got? We've got a $30 a month. And we've got the £30. To make this thing free. Perfect for small teams, manage your client list, create and edit articles, base approval dashboard, limited analytics. And then we have the AI article generation and approval. Which is at 30. And I guess if we make that, I don't want a price anchor. API key required. Manage client list, create and edit articles, base approval dashboard, limited analytics. Pay once, access forever, definitely not. If the plan name is this, plan.name is equal to this, say regular subscribe monthly. Nice. Pay once, access forever. Bring your own OpenAI API key. Perfect small teams and projects, article generation, AI-based approval, manage client list, create and edit articles, basic approval dashboard, limited analytics. Alright, so we are now doing, I want to say something like priority support maybe. Alright, cool, let's have a look at that. replace this section. What section is that from? CTA. Got the pricing, we've got reviews, which we don't have, so we'll probably get rid of those. FAQs we do have. Okay, so we've got to fix all the images on here. We'll also remove the reviews from here. We've got pricing and we have FAQ. So let's remove reviews from the header. I can just find that here. Come on, P header. Reviews. Alright. Right, we need to fix all the images. Home page, we'll just dump it in here. Got the hero image. So let's go and grab that, which will be hero-image. .png. Home page. Blog post generation. See if we can just grab some random images. Who cares anyway? Maybe get some icons actually. Or is there like a different way to do the features perhaps? Features listicle maybe would be better. Quite like features listicle. It's like quite minimal. Let's do that instead. Update my features listicle based on features accordion. Feel free to reuse a lot of this as I want to make it really good. Alright, cool. The joys. Okay, and then we need to replace that in our home page, which is here. I want you to rewrite all of the features that come from remake the features listicle and change all of the copy to be like the and we'll also put in the /dashboard as team ID to be like what we actually have. This feedback tool. Cool. Right. have we got going on here? This comes from this one. PY14. We just want some. More padding top. Well, we do PY24. We get this weird break. Let's do padding top 12, I think, for now. Maybe we could change this to be a slightly different colour. Looks like BG. There you go. That's better. Nice. Let's get Grok to create us a. We need to get Grok to create us a streamlined image. So we've got the homepage nearly done, which is good. So we've got like this. This is all going to the login. So nice. Get started with feedback flow. We need to fix that. Unsplash. CTA image. CTA image. need to blur this a bit more. Alright, welcome guys. So yeah, what we're doing today is we're just working on this homepage a little bit. We've got the pricing section, we've got the FAQ, all the auth is already done apart from login with Google, but we'll do that when we actually launch. But at the moment we've got the auth working, so it redirects into the / dashboard, and then from there it routes into a team. And then you've got like the clients where you can add all your clients. You've got articles, which are also here. You've got an approval dashboard. You can approve articles or reject articles. You've got an analytics space. And you can see over what period of time have you got what articles approved, which is quite nice. So that's currently the state of the dashboard inside here. And then what we're currently working on is we are currently in the process of working on this home page, and I'm probably going to change these. So instead of it says get, I'm actually going to change these to just log in, and then I'll do the Stripe as part of the onboarding process rather than having it here, because I think it's a bit stupid to do it here. So anyway, so we just need to blur this image a bit more, blur this image a bit more, make it darker. Use Command K for that, because that's just probably a better way of doing that. I'm using Composer. Alright, that's looking a bit better. I think we should maybe make the text a little bit whiter, make the text a bit whiter. We'll do this, so make the background even darker and make the text more prominent. That's better, yeah. Let's go back to the features section. We need to go into the pricing. And this button checkout takes a price. We're going to replace this button here with the sign in button, I think. There's no point doing that there. But I kind of want it to be the same as the button checkout. I quite like that in terms of the style, at least. We'll leave this as here, and then I think we'll make a new one called we'll just make a button here. We'll call it button checkout sign in, and remove the Stripe code, keep the styles, and add a redirect to /sign in on button click. Alright, welcome if you're just joining us. We're just changing this button because I don't want to log people in with the payment here. I'd rather just basically get them to sign in here. We've got get. And I don't think this is a problem because just restart the TypeScript server. I have found this with Cursor. If you just hit Command-Shift-P and go, and you can run commands in VS Code, try just restarting TypeScript server sometimes. That really just seems to fix quite a lot of errors. So then we've got an on-click handle sign in. I think we could even pull this from the config.auth.login URL. And then this is, and then we'll switch this out. So this then becomes on the features, so that'll be on the pricing. Then we want to put in the, go back here. No. I want to go button, checkout sign in. Is there a way to import this directly from here? I guess I can go up here and do it, but okay, so the home page is now fixed again. Pricing, blog. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there, peeps. Alright, so now that we've got that all sorted, let's also change the onboarding flow so that we can, when someone signs up, they'll create a team, they'll choose a plan, whether it's the $0 a month plan or whether it's the $30 a month plan. And if they are on the $0 a month plan, then we'll want to ask them for their API key, and we need to validate that that's a valid OpenAI key. We should also change this to I think what do we charge for this? $20. Get feedback flow. We'll do free for now, might as well. Let's have a look. I also maybe want to store what they chose in local storage, so say button, check in, sign out, check out, sign in. I guess we could do it with Stripe there. Features according problem. Probably the smoothest way to do it. So if we go back, so let's delete this button. This makeshift button that I've made, and then I need to put in my secret key. That's probably a better way to do it, I think. Okay. Button, checkout, sign in. We'll get rid of that, and then we'll go back to features. This will be pricing. Right, now I've got to blur the screen because now we're doing some pretty private stuff. Secret key. Publishable key, we need to set up a webhook. monthly subscription, so free lifetime access. We'll do lifetime access. The price is 30, and subscription make this more catchy, but still tell them that they are subscribing. We'll change the lifetime access to $20. $50. Alright guys, we are officially cooking. Alright, let's go. Cool. I'm gonna share my screen again. Just updating some prices. We've got a all access for 30 monthly, lifetime access for $50. Just got to update some Stripe price IDs, so we need this lifetime access one. Let's get the price ID for that. Okay, right, now we need to set up the webhook now. Okay, so we're going to have to think about this, because now we're basically going to be saying what regard, like they might come in a different point, right? So the existing of code, let me show you. So at the moment we've got an API, and what's going to happen is when we get a webhook from Stripe, we're going to look at the webhook secret, and then we're going to validate that it's a valid webhook, and then after that we're getting the plan and we're updating them, and if they don't exist we're creating the user. So we do create the user, and then we add their email, and we find that user, and then we update them to say they have access. So now when they then what we need to do is so that will and then so what does it say? Extra, send them an email with user link product page. So we want to redirect them at that point. We want to redirect them to the sign-in page. So after they come back from the flow, we want to redirect them to the sign-in page. So let's just jot this down. So firstly, a user might sign up with no payment. A user might have paid and just signs up. And then if a user is on a specific plan, which is the lifetime access, we need to also get them to give us an OpenAI API key, which we will encrypt/decrypt for running API jobs. And then so that's fine. The thing I'm thinking of here is I'm going to save what we have currently. So we've got let's say I've got the homepage working. I think the first thing we want to do is change the onboarding code. We get the user. Oh, and depending upon, so let's think about this. I'm gonna try and YOLO this on a new branch of Composer, because this could be a bit of a YOLO. So let's do git checkout B, and then I think we're gonna do calling it Stripe plan workflow. Okay, cool. First thing we need to do is we need to get. Gonna have to jump in about 15 minutes, everyone. So I hope you're enjoying the session, tuning in, getting chilled out, enjoying a bit of Cursor. So next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna create a new Composer project, and I'm probably gonna do this in another stream, but I'll just set up here anyway. Call it Stripe plus Teams onboarding workflow. So then we need to pull in the config, which has got the plans. We also want to put in the Stripe webhooks and the checkout sessions. We want to put in the plans page, which I guess is on pricing as a component. And then we want to say all of these edge cases. We need to change the onboarding process to handle for this. Also, so what ones do we need? We want the team creation form, and we want the onboarding page, and we probably want the API/auth/callback. That's how we do everything at the moment. I need you to change the onboarding process so that we check if a single user from a team has at least paid for the subscription. I guess we need to create a team first, then depending on whether they have a subscription or not, put them back into a Stripe flow using the pricing component. Also, after they come back, if they are on a lifetime access plan, then we need to show them, we need to get their OpenAI credentials, and this be validated with a simple request. Can you help with this refactor? Oh, we'll just let Composer do all the work, guys, and then I'll go and enjoy the rest of my day, I guess. Creating a subscription check. How is it doing the subscription check? Let's have a look at that. Oh, no. We don't have team subscriptions. Let's reject all this for now. I'll say reject all now, and I'll say I don't have team subscriptions. Currently we have it on a single user, and we will not just do a database query against that user for now. Oh, I'll give it the types as well. That's always useful. Here are the types. I always find when you're struggling with things, just give it the types. So, oh yeah, thank you for providing the types. That's very funny. Alright. So check if the user is authenticated. If authenticated, check if the user has access, has paid for a subscription. If the user doesn't have access, show the pricing component. If the user has access and it's a lifetime access plan, prompt for OpenAI API key. After all steps are completed, redirect to the dashboard. Oh, to include an OpenAI API key. Alright. Once again, Command Shift P and hit restart on that TypeScript server, and you'll see most of these errors just go away. A couple here, but okay. Right, so we've got that. Next thing, what we need to do is oh yeah, it just does a list. Yeah. Add encryption to this file for saving. No, do it all in this file. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Definitely don't want a next public encryption secret though. Okay, so let's document what we've got to do. We've done the home page, which is good. Alright, I'm nearly finishing up by the way guys, I've got to run, got to go in a minute. So anyway, so this will then, basically we've got a slight change in this, so I'm just going to go and blur my screen again because I've got to put an encryption secret in the .env file. So it looks like that should be the soul. Should be, let me have a look. So alright, okay, cool. Come up with an encryption. Alright, I'll turn the camera back on. I've actually got to go, so I'm going to go jump on a call. I hope you've enjoyed today. Yeah, we'll get back and finish the onboarding flow tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see you all around and enjoy